Okay, time to go ahead and escape to the city. Cause I need me a haircut. See, y'all think I'm playing. Alright, watch this. Okay, so I left my house when I'm not really supposed to. Okay, I'm going way too fast. Alright, going way too fast down there, okay, thinking I'm slick. Alright, yeah. Whew, alright. Okay, alright, hold on, give me one second. Hold on. Hop on this wire. Alright, okay. Let me drift real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me hop on this wire again. Oh yeah. Alright. That's what I did to your mama in her bed last night. Alright, hold on. Okay. Alright. I'm finna get ready to show y'all something. Hold on. Alright. Wham. Skirt. Wham. Okay, watch this. Yeah. I hit that Sonic Adventure clothes clean, you know what I'm saying? And I'm finna hit it in. Skirt. Yeah. Alright. We in the beautiful darn near downtown, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, alright, there we go. Yeah. So I ain't gonna lie, this place is beautiful. Look, this place is more beautiful than the Potos. Actually, man, you know what? I take that back. No, it's not. Okay, because I'm literally downtown. All right, okay. You know what? Hold on. There we go. Yeah, on my way to the gym. You know what I'm saying? But I need to go pick up some Jimmy John's. All right. Actually, matter of fact, I've already picked it up. Come here. Y'all ain't stopping me. All right, let's go and have some fun because I'm about ready to jump so high I can't even land straight. All right. This dude got chainsaws now. You mean to tell me I've been battling my demons and battling robots and aliens and G.U.N robots since 2001, and you mean to tell me that this dude got a chainsaw now? Yeah, let me hurry up. Cause these people think they slick, and I ain't even did nothing. Okay, let me go and hop on this wall. All right, okay, I'm zooming past. Look, this man is literally having chainsaws attack me in different directions. I don't like this. Okay, hold on. Wham! See, you think you slick, man? You can't catch me. You can't catch me. I don't care if you landing through fire. You ain't like the penguins in Madagascar. Stop it. Alright. Man, let me get this gold ring. People think they slick trying to chase me with chainsaws and G.U.N trucks. And, bro, look. Alright. Ooh, Lord, I killed that. Alright. Cowabunga!